Hi, good evening everyone. I am Dr. Moharam Ghosh, the founder of the channel Gracious, Gallant and Generous, which is all about inspiring people to be the best that they can be. Today's story is about respecting everybody who we come across in life. There's an old English saying, never judge a book by its cover. Let's hear this inspiring story about how the Stanford University came about. At the Harvard University's president's office, a old lady in a faded grey dress and her supposed husband with a homespun suit walked in. They met the secretary of Harvard University's president. They said that they wanted to meet the president. The secretary was not impressed by the dress and their style. She thought they were some country hicks who had just decided to walk in and waste the time of such an important man, the president of Harvard University. She told him he's very busy and he cannot meet anybody. The old lady and the gentleman replied, "We'll wait." And they took a chair. The secretary kept them waiting for some time, thinking that they will go away. The old lady and gentleman continued to sit, waiting to meet the president of Harvard University. The secretary finally decided to go across and meet the president and tell him that an old couple were waiting for him and perhaps he should spare a minute to meet them. The president of Harvard University walked out and saw the old couple. When he saw them, he too was not impressed. He thought, who are these people? They're probably here to waste some further time of mine. And asked them, what can I do for you? The old lady replied, our son was a student at Harvard University and we want to build a memorial for him at Harvard University. The president was mortified. He replied, ma'am, if we build a memorial at Harvard University for every student who studied here and passed away, we will become a crematorium. The old couple explained, no, we would like to perhaps build a building in his memory. The president replied, we have got over $7.5 million of buildings, physical buildings here. The old lady turned to her husband and said, is that all it costs to make a university? Why don't we build our own? And the husband agreed and they turned and started walking away. The president was amazed and flabbergasted for a moment. The old couple were Mr. and Mrs. Leland Stanford. They went to California, Palo Alto, and laid the foundation of Harvard University in memory of their son. Laid the foundation of Stanford University in memory of their son. It reminds me of a saying by the famous Indian mystic Kalidasa, where a needle is useful, what will a sword do? We tend to, as human beings, Pay more attention on the outward appearances. Judge people by their dressing style and clothes and outer appearances, and lose many opportunities to make wonderful friends, customers, and employees. It's important that while we respect those above us, we take care of them who are our peers and lend a helping hand and look after those below us in station presently. You never know tomorrow who could be the needle which you need at that point of time. Let's respect one another and be kind to one another. Thank you, friends, for hearing this story, and catch up with you soon with another wonderful story to inspire all of you. Till then, stay safe.